Hi, welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss all about always show faces, which is the psychology number one of this section. Here is if you if you want to draw people's attention straight to your ad, make sure it shows a face. We love looking at faces because facial recognition and the ability to read emotions in people's face are the ultimate social tools. Our brains seek them out everywhere. We have a specific part of the brain that responds only to faces. Cells in the fusiform gyrus, sometimes called the fusiform face area, only fire when they see a face. No other object can get them to respond. In 2005, a study from Caltech showed that people have specific cells that only respond to individual people. In this case, Jennifer Aniston dubbed the Aniston cell. No other person, celebrity or not, could get that brain cell to fire. Faces are therefore a great way to use the brain natural processes to capture someone's attention. Here, Snapwire draws you to the ad with some face like this happy face. How we feel about reading the news before election. So this is a face, and also here we see the other ad with Snapwire by delicate placement as it's shown here. And if you can add a well-known recognizable celebrity face to your ad like Elle magazine have all the better. As you see here, this is the Kim Kardashian. I am sure plenty of people now have a Kardashian cell in their brain. So that's all about this way, and see you in next lecture. Goodbye.